Welcome to the Viper Rewards program. So I'm going to take you through the steps of setting up your rewards program. We're going to start off with settings, and you can navigate through the steps down here. Now, when it comes to your rewards program, usually you have people coming to your website and then they're going to be shown your rewards program. Now, in order to get people to sign up to your rewards program, you can give incentives like sign up and get $10, sign up and get $10, and also refer a friend to get $10. So you can do a one-way sign up bonus, or you can do a two-way sign up bonus. Now, the other thing is you don't have to give a dollar amount. You can also give free product, you can give downloadable PDFs, free access to courses, all sorts of things. So I'm going to show you how to go about setting that up in Viper. So here you're just adding in your title, brand, and the website that you're installing this rewards program on. After that, you decide how many points someone's going to get for a referral. Remember, people collect points to then redeem the prizes in the rewards program. So say you have a reward set at 100 points, get $10 off. They would have to, for example, refer 2 people. So think about how many points you want to offer for a referral. The other thing is you can offer points for people making purchases in store. So when you link up your rewards program with Shopify, it will count all of the points that that person spends in your store and give them those points so that they can redeem prizes later on. Again, those prizes can be discounts, free products, free downloads, free courses, all sorts of stuff. The beauty of Viper is it's very flexible and you can create any type of reward you like, and you can incentivize any way that you like. So I highly suggest that you actually enable this and allow $1 to $2 per dollar spent. The other thing is you can manually review each conversion that comes through, so you can make sure that people are getting the correct amount of points. The next section here is the sign up incentive. So the classic example of a two-way incentive is give your friends $10 and you'll get $10 as well. Now there's a few options here. So the first option is we can offer unique coupon codes to each side. So I get a unique coupon code and you'll get a unique coupon code. You can use a coupon bank here where you put in all of your unique coupon codes, and you can look at all of your previous ones under here. If you don't want to use a coupon bank, you can use a singular code. And the other thing is you can make your code look unique. So if you were to make the singular code like that look quite unique, I would get that same code, and the person who I refer, which would be you would also get this code. Now, you can also not even give a discount and actually give access to a PDF, a free course, a free workout plan, whatever you have in terms of a digital product or a digital asset, you can link to from here so that when they click on that, it will take them to download that. So you can actually incentivize with other things apart from discounts. If you don't want to do a two-way referral at all, you can simply do no incentive, and you can just set your thank you message to include a code. That would be that you only get a code if you sign up. You don't send a code to your friend. We highly suggest that you use the two-way referral bonus, because that definitely increases the excitement of the program for everybody who's participating. The other things you want to go through is adding your tracking pixels and tracking Google Analytics code in here. You can also edit the styling of the rewards program with some inline CSS. You can add in terms and conditions. We generate some basic terms and conditions for you. Make sure to add in your own specific terms and conditions for your area or niche. You can also add in your support email and include a bot captcha if you want to prevent bots from entering your reward program, but you shouldn't have an issue with that. So jump into setting up your rewards program. Hit us up with help over here if you need. You can also head over to the case studies, the courses, and the help desk in here with FAQs. Don't forget to join the Facebook group as well to share your rewards program so that we can get some feedback going and we can point you in the right direction. See you in the next tutorial.